Small parts scattered everywhere during repair. They're not only easy to lose but can also roll away and disappear in a blink. Try our oil absorbent pads. It creates a highly visible, flat designated workspace, keeping parts organized and in sight to effectively prevent them from rolling away. Watch closely. The grease on the part is rapidly wicking away the moment it meets the pad. The surface locks in the oil, leaving the part's contact area clean and residue-free. Say goodbye to greasy hands. Using our pads effectively contains mess, keeping your hands and tools clean for a more pleasant work experience. JXY Oil Absorbent Pads. Focus on your skill, boost your efficiency. Not just for auto repair, but your reliable cleaning guard for workshops, factories, and home DIY. Powerful absorption, versatile use, protecting cleanliness everywhere. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.